Hello, wonderful fifth graders, and welcome to Sort 47. This week you're going to be studying homophones that contain the long A sound. Homophones are words that are spelled differently and have different meanings, but they sound the same. You're going to be sorting your words into three columns. The long A spelled A consonant E, long A spelled AI, and then you'll have an oddball column with three oddballs. Your words this week are going to sound exactly the same but have different meanings. So for example, in this word ale, we're talking about a drink, an ale that you would drink. And over here, ale, we're talking about something that would cause you pain or uneasiness. Hair is like a rabbit in this sense, whereas over here, hair is what you find on your head. Maid, this is the maid where I made a cake. And over here you have a maid, someone who does cleaning. Male, this is like a male animal versus a female animal. And here you have mail that gets delivered to your home. Over here you have mane, like the mane of a lion. And here you have mane as in the big thing. Here you have maze, as in you don't want to get lost in a maze or you might never get out. And here you have maize as in corn, another word for corn. Here pale as in, you look pale today, are you feeling okay? And here you have pail as in a bucket. Here you have pane as in a window or a pane of glass. And here you have pain as in something is hurting you. Here is plane as in an airplane. And here you have plain as in not very fancy, just ordinary. Here you have sale, as in something doesn't cost as much as it usually would. And here you have sail, as in the sail of a boat. Here you have waste, which would be like garbage. And here you have waist, which is the part just above your hips on your body. Over here you have three oddballs. These are big ones. There refers to somebody, something that belongs to somebody, their house, their car, their friend. Here you have there as in over there. And you can remember it because you see the word here in the word there. And then you have the contraction there that really means they are. So your best bet is to try it with they are, and if it doesn't work, ask yourself, is it a place? And if that doesn't work, then it's probably something that belongs to somebody. Okay, fifth graders, this one you're going to have to study really hard this week, but you can do it. Go get 'em.